Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we will talk about a crucial step in the digital transformation of any industrial company: the integration of advanced analytics and artificial intelligence across your entire industrial ecosystem. While we have already seen how AI can improve predictive maintenance or asset management, integrating these technologies across the entire ecosystem allows you to connect all processes, from production to logistics, achieving end-to-end operational efficiency. So, if you're ready to completely transform the way your business operates, let's get started. Today we will look at how to connect data and processes to create a smart ecosystem in a factory or building. A smart industrial ecosystem is one in which all processes, equipment, and systems are interconnected through advanced analytics and artificial intelligence. This allows decisions to be made not in isolation, but based on data from multiple areas. It is no longer just about optimizing a piece of equipment or a production line, but about making the whole system work in a coordinated and efficient way. This approach allows maximizing efficiency throughout the entire production cycle and making decisions based on real-time data analysis. Integrating advanced analytics and AI into your industrial ecosystem involves several key components. These may include IoT sensors. These devices monitor equipment performance in real time and collect critical data, from vibration to energy consumption. Big data. The collection of large volumes of data allows AI and advanced analytics to analyze trends and patterns in real time. AI and machine learning. These systems can predict failures, optimize processes, and provide automatic recommendations based on data. Centralized management platforms. These systems integrate all data and analysis in one place, allowing operators and managers to make decisions based on the information gathered. By integrating these elements, you can achieve complete visibility of your operations and optimize each area in a coordinated manner. What are the benefits of integrating advanced analytics and AI across the industrial ecosystem? Let's look at some of the most important ones. Reduce downtime. By connecting the entire system, you can anticipate problems in one part of the process before they affect others, reducing unplanned downtime. Optimizing resource use. With AI analyzing real-time data, you can automatically adjust the use of energy, materials, and labor, optimizing resources across the plant. Improved operational efficiency. By having all systems connected, operations can be better coordinated, leading to a significant increase in overall efficiency. More informed decision-making. By integrating AI and advanced analytics, decisions are not based on assumptions, but on accurate and up-to-date data, improving the quality of decisions. Companies that have fully integrated advanced analytics and AI into their industrial ecosystem report efficiency improvements of up to 30% and a reduction in downtime of more than 25%. Let's look at some real-world examples of companies that have successfully integrated advanced analytics and AI into their industrial ecosystems. Automotive industry. A global automotive company integrated IoT sensors, AI, and advanced analytics into its production line. This allowed them to anticipate problems on their assembly lines, reduce unplanned downtime, and optimize material usage, resulting in 15% savings in operating costs. Energy. In the energy sector, a company that manages wind turbines used AI to connect data from multiple areas, from turbine performance to maintenance logistics. The result was a 20% improvement in operational efficiency and a reduction in downtime of more than 30%. These examples demonstrate that integrating AI across the entire industrial ecosystem can generate tangible results and completely transform the way businesses operate. To integrate advanced analytics and AI into your industrial ecosystem, you first need to ensure that every critical area of your operation is connected via IoT sensors that collect the necessary data. Then, that data needs to be integrated into a centralized platform that allows you to analyze plant-wide performance in real time. Finally, AI and machine learning models must be trained to optimize every area, from maintenance to logistics, to ensure that the entire ecosystem is functioning in an efficient and coordinated manner. One example of successful integration is a company that connected all its production, maintenance, and quality systems using AI and advanced analytics. In doing so, they achieved a 25% improvement in operational efficiency and reduced production waste by 20%. This example shows how a complete integration of AI and advanced analytics can transform an industrial ecosystem, leading to improvements in all key areas of the operation. If you are interested in integrating advanced analytics and artificial intelligence into your industrial ecosystem, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd be happy to help you plan and execute a strategy to maximize the efficiency of your entire operation. Thanks for joining me for this video on integrating AI into the industrial ecosystem. In the next session, we will explore an advanced case of AI-based predictive maintenance implementation, where we will see at a generic level how to apply what we have discussed so far. See you in the next video.